Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today I have something very special for you. Yes, Christmas is coming and we are going to make beautiful Christmas decorations using old plastic bottles. It's not amazing. Instead of throwing bottles away, we can turn them into a magical Christmas craft. This is not only budget friendly but also eco friendly, a small step to save our planets and add beauty to our home. So let's start our creative journey together. First idea, snow candles holder. Take a plastic bottle, cut it from the middle and shape it nicely. Paint it white and sprinkle some together. Now put a small LED candle inside. Wow, it's look like a glowing solar lantern. Perfect for your Christmas table. This decoration will take this decoration will make your dinner table shine with warmth and joy. Second idea, Christmas tree from bottles. Cut green plastic bottles into a leaf shape, then fix them around a stick cardboard cone. Slowly, layer by layer, your beautiful mini Christmas tree will be ready. Add beads, stars, and small bells to decorate. Kids especially loves making these crafts, and trust me, it will become the highlight of your living room. Snowflake ornaments. Cut flat pieces of plastic bottles, then shape them into snowflakes. Paint them with silver or blue colors and glitter and hang them on your Christmas tree. These ornaments are so light, shiny, and unbreakable you can even gift them to your friends. Handmade gifts always carry special love. Santa Claus foam bottles. Take a bottles, paint it red, and decorate it with the cotton of Santa bears. Use black tape for the belt and a little red cap on the top. Wow, your cute Santa is ready to welcome Christmas. Place it near your tree at your home entrance. It will bring a big smile to everyone's face. So friends, we made candle holder and Christmas tree, snowflakes, ornaments, and even Santa Claus, all from plastic. Bottle is not that fun. Remember, recycling is not just about saving money, it's about saving nature, reduce waste, and spreading positivity. The Christmas left decorates our home with loves, creativity, and eco-friendly craft. Because there is lots of amazing and tutorial video on my another channel. You can visit and watch them all. DIY tutorials, especially in Christmas craft, craft, jute rope, paper craft, ash clamp sticks. Link in description. So please must visit the channel for more DIY tutorials. In this video I'm just getting some pictures for your reference and share with you how to make your event memorable and craft some beautiful ideas. Thanks for watching our video till the end and very appreciate to thanks for support. If you like this video, please must share with your friends and family and post your valuable comments. We will try to make another video as per your comments and as per your suggestions. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.